What we're gonna cook today is a recipe na na-share sa akin ng childhood friend ko. You know how a lot of us cannot really claim na original tayo ng isang recipe? Kasi somehow nakuha lang natin yun sa mommy natin, sa family, relatives, and friends. And then somehow we liked it so much, we cooked it a lot, we tweaked it, and then we considered it our own. Well, this is one of those recipes. This was shared to me by my childhood friend, good friend, Eden. And she used to live in Indonesia because she was then the country manager of a famous jeans company. So she's so great. She even speaks the language. And it's an Indonesian recipe that we're gonna share with you today. Ang pangalan, Sop Buntut. So translated, oxtail soup. Para lang siyang nilaga, pero upscale nilaga. Kasi may mga condiments that tayo mga Pinoy, we would never think na magdadagdag tayo ng cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg sa sopas. Pero actually, those condiments added so much flavor na ang sarap-sarap niya. And I'm sure you're gonna love it too. So we'll be using the Swift oxtail that I got from Costco. It's a 2-pack oxtail. Ang isa pwede yan for about, 2 to 3 people. So pag nagluluto ako ng oxtail, I pressure cook it para mabilis tsaka hindi sayang sa kuryente. I also cook it the night before. So this is the reason why I cook oxtail the night before. So para hindi tayo malito, I group the ingredients according to how we're gonna add them to the dish. Okay, first, ito, yung onions, garlic, shallot, and ginger, yan yung panggisa natin. Pero may twist yung paggisa ng dish na to, and I'll show you that later. And then itong potatoes and carrot, siya yung gulay sa sopas. These are the condiments that we will add to the soup. It's the nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon stick. And then this, ito, i-add natin to pagkakainin na. Hindi natin lulutuin yan together with the soup. So that's the lime, tomatoes, Chinese celery, and then we can add spicy chili crisp, and fried shallots. Kita niyo ba yan? Fried shallots. Yan, the fried shallots, and sweet soy sauce. Okay, this is how much onion, ginger, shallot, and garlic that we're gonna use. Ibe-blender natin sila. Yun ang difference. Usually, di ba, ginigisa natin ito agad. This time, we will grind them to a paste. So, blended na siya. If you're gonna use the 2 packs of oxtail, use the entire thing. But if you're only gonna use 1 pack, i-save nyo ang kalahati nito, lagay nyo sa freezer. So next time you cook this, you save on several steps. Meron na kayong ready na ganito. Alright? So strain natin yung sabaw. Now we start to boil the oxtail. And while waiting for the oxtail to boil, so fry natin yung ating ginawang, yung blender nating garlic, onion, shallots, and ginger. Then tuloy lang natin yung pagpapakulo sa oxtail natin. Now that it's boiling, dagdag natin ng carrots and potatoes. So let's make this boil for around 10 minutes. Ngayong malambot na yung potatoes and yung carrots, then we add 1 cinnamon stick here, a few pieces of cloves, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm using ground nutmeg. Then mix it. By the way, I'm cooking 1 pack of oxtail lang. So I'm using 1 cinnamon stick. Now, if I cook the full batch, then mas maraming sabaw to. That means I will use like 1.5 cinnamon sticks. Hindi naman dalawa. Then we let that boil again for around 3 minutes. Then we're gonna season it. Okay, we're almost done. So we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. White pepper ang pinapagamit sa recipe. But I think you can also use cracked pepper or black pepper. Kahit ano, okay lang. Wag lang whole pepper. And then what I do, I add this pamana, all-in-one seasoning mix para mas malasa siya. So I put about 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it, and then cover natin siya ulit. Now we're done. Now let's taste it. Sarap. You know, if you've ever been to Las Vegas and pumunta kayo dito sa isang hotel in Fremont Street, if you've tried their oxtail soup there, hindi na kayo pupunta ulit doon because of this. Mas masarap to. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. Kung paano ito isa-serve. You get a hot bowl of oxtail soup, and then you add tomatoes and the scallions and the celery, and then you add also the fried shallots, the chili garlic crisp, and the sweet soy sauce. Ngayon, kung wala kayong chili garlic crisp, you can mix the sweet soy sauce with some hot red chilies. Pwede rin yun. So this is our salt buntut. This will cost you around $53 if you use the 2-pack of oxtail, and half of that kung isang pack lang. Eden, thank you for sharing this recipe. I love this so much. I want to share it with so many people para mag-enjoy din sila. And to all of you, if you cook it, let me know if you like it, okay? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace!